Genre: narrative fiction. The Big Race. This race car simulator is cool. Let's try it. Essential question: how can science help you understand how things work? Read how Alex and Liam want to use science to help them win a race. Alex and Liam plan to build a car for the Soapbox Derby. As a result of their inquiry into how to build a fast car, they had come to the Science Museum today for answers. Last week, Alex's mother had called one of the museum's scientists. When they walked into the museum, a woman in a lab coat and inline skates zoomed up and greeted them. "Hi, I'm Clara. Are you the boys who want to know what will make a car go fast?" "Yes, I'm Alex, and that's Liam," Alex responded. "Why are you wearing inline skates, Clara?" Liam asked. "I'm a champion skater," Clara claimed, doing a spin. Then she whispered, "That's not my true identity. I'm a scientist. Skates make it easier to get around. Follow me." "It's about speed." "Welcome to our On the Move exhibit," Clara announced as they entered a large room. "So, tell me about the race." "There will be 20 cars in the race. We'll be going down the steepest hill in town," Alex said. "Sounds thrilling. It must be exciting to go fast," Clara answered as she pressed buttons on a machine. "This is a virtual race car, and this screen shows you the virtual race course and your speed. Speed is the distance an object moves in a certain amount of time. I'm Clara. Welcome." Forces at work. Alex and Liam climbed into the machine. Each seat had a steering wheel and a screen in front of it. Clara said, "Since you want to build a fast car, you need to know about forces and how they affect motion." "What's a force?" asked Liam. Clara continued, "A force is a push or a pull. Forces cause things to move or cause a change in motion. When I apply a big enough force on an object, like this stool, it moves. If two objects are exactly the same, the object that receives a bigger force will accelerate or increase its speed," Clara said, pushing 2 stools at the same time. "Which stool received a bigger force?" Clara asked. "The one on the right. It went farther," said Liam. "So, giving our car a big push at the top of the hill will cause it to accelerate and go faster," Alex summarized. "A force is a push or pull. There's a sharp curve coming up. I'm going to accelerate now." Gravity and friction. Clara smiled. "Right. Another force acting on your car is gravity. Gravity is a pulling force between 2 objects." Clara took a tennis ball out of her pocket. "When I drop this ball, gravity pulls it towards the floor. It's the same force that pulls your car down the hill. So a big push gives us an advantage over other cars, and gravity will keep us going." "How do we stop?" Liam asked. "You'll need friction. Friction is a force between 2 surfaces that slows objects down or stops them from moving. For example, I lean back on my skates, and the friction between the rubber stoppers and the floor slows me down," said Clara. "Thanks, Clara. The virtual race car was cool. I knew we had the skills and capabilities to win the race. Now we have science on our side, too," Liam grinned. "You need friction.